Hello everyone, once again Namaste Sabalai, welcome to my vlog. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. Lately we have been having idli in breakfast very often during this lockdown. So I thought why not I learn making this idli by my own. So today I'll show you how to make idli, and this is the result of 12-hour fermentation of a mixture of idli rice and urad dal. So to understand how we made this, we have to go 12 hours back and see what we did last night. Okay, so let's go. This is idli rice, cup of idli rice. And this is urad white split. Okay, and is 1 cup of urad as well. Idli rice and urad white split. So now we're gonna keep this water of idli rice and urad white split for half an hour, and we're gonna grind this. So after half an hour it's time to grind this, and we'll add a bit this methi, and now I'll grind this up. Now we will add this both. So this should be the level of thickness to make a perfect idli. And what we did was we soaked the idli rice and the dal, urad dal, for half an hour, and then we grind it separately and we mixed it together, and the thickness is this. Now we will keep this for like 10 to 12 hours, and tomorrow in the morning we will make the idli. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye. After 12 hours of fermentation, this is the result. The amount of this mixture have increased the actual result, so that you can make the perfect idli, because you can see the air pocket being formed there. And this is how it should look after the 12-hour fermentation. And let me tell you, we also added methi inside. I have told you yesterday as well. This is the steamer. In this steamer we will be making the idli. It's a 4-set steamer. So before starting the process, first we have to oil the steamer so that it won't stick. And now we start filling this. This is how we do it. So this one step is done. Now for the next step, we got to put this thing inside slowly, and next step we're gonna fill this again one by one. That's how we do it. This is the cooker we're gonna use, and look at the water, very less water, and here we start. And this very gently keep this and this inside the cooker very gently. Now keep it like this. So you have to keep this for 10 minutes. Can get steam. So for 10 to 15 minutes we'll wait, and then the idli will be ready. I'll show you the final result. And this is the first batch idli of today's breakfast. So it's been 10 minutes now. Let's go and see the result of the first batch of idli. So we'll check if this is cooked properly. So if this, when you dig in, if the spoons come out clean like this, you see there is nothing in the spoon, then this means it's very well cooked. So the first batch of idli is very successful. It is, the first batch of idli is ready, and in first batch there will be around 16 idli. If you want this utensil, you can get it from Amazon. I will put the description in the link in the description below. So here it is, idli along with chutney. Chutney we made of peanut. If you want to know, you can write in the comment section. I will let you know how to make this chutney. But the best combination with idli is sambar, idli sambar. Also, if you like this video, we will also let you know how to make a special sambar. And let me taste. This is a very healthy and best for the breakfast. Good, especially with this chutney, it feels good to have in the breakfast. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I just want to thank my sister who is behind the camera for helping me in this video to make idli. And yes, if you like it, please hit that like button down there, and also write in the comment section below how you like my new way of doing vlogging in the kitchen. Thank you so much. Namaste Sabla. I'll keep you updated. Bye bye.